Are you tired of juggling paperwork, missing appointments, and feeling like your business is running you instead of the other way around? In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and efficient is no longer a luxury. It's the key to unlocking serious growth for your service-based business. Think about it. How much time do you and your team spend each week on tasks that don't directly generate revenue? Chasing down invoices, playing phone tag with clients, manually scheduling jobs. It all adds up. And that's time and energy that could be spent on what truly matters: delivering exceptional service and expanding your reach. Now, imagine a world where those headaches simply vanish. What if you had a central hub for managing every aspect of your business, from the initial customer inquiry to the final payment? A system that not only streamlines your daily operations but also empowers you to attract more customers, improve your team's efficiency, and ultimately, boost your bottom line. That's where Housecall Pro comes in. It's more than just another app. It's a comprehensive business management platform designed specifically for home service professionals like you. Whether you're in plumbing, HVAC, electrical, cleaning, landscaping, or any other field where you visit clients' homes, Housecall Pro offers a powerful suite of tools to transform the way you work. So, how exactly can Housecall Pro help you grow your business? Let's dive into some of its key features and how they translate into tangible growth. 1. Streamlined scheduling and dispatching. Say goodbye to double bookings and logistical nightmares. Housecall Pro's intuitive scheduling calendar gives you a clear, real-time overview of your team's availability. You can easily assign jobs, drag and drop appointments, and optimize routes to minimize travel time and maximize the number of jobs you can complete in a day. This increased efficiency directly translates to higher revenue potential. 2. Professional invoicing and payments. Chasing down payments is a drain on your resources. Housecall Pro simplifies the entire invoicing process. Create professional, customizable invoices in minutes, send them electronically, and even offer your clients convenient online payment options. Faster payments mean improved cash flow, which is crucial for reinvesting in your business and fueling growth. 3. Enhanced customer communication. In today's digital age, clear and consistent communication is paramount for building strong customer relationships. Housecall Pro allows you to communicate seamlessly with your clients through automated appointment reminders, on-my-way notifications with GPS tracking, and in-app messaging. This level of transparency builds trust, reduces no-shows, and leads to happier, more loyal customers who are more likely to recommend your services. 4. Powerful estimates and proposals. Winning new business often starts with a compelling estimate. Housecall Pro enables you to create professional-looking estimates and proposals quickly and easily, complete with detailed breakdowns of services and pricing. You can even include photos and videos to showcase your expertise. Sending professional, timely estimates increases your chances of landing the job and growing your customer base. 5. Integrated marketing tools. Attracting new customers is essential for growth. Housecall Pro offers built-in marketing tools to help you reach a wider audience. From automated review requests to email marketing campaigns, you can leverage these features to build your online reputation, nurture leads, and generate new business without having to juggle multiple separate platforms. 6. Efficient team management. As your business grows, managing your team effectively becomes increasingly important. Housecall Pro provides tools for tracking employee time, managing payroll integrations, and monitoring performance. This allows you to gain valuable insights into your team's productivity and identify areas for improvement, ultimately leading to a more efficient and profitable operation. 7. Data-driven insights. Making informed decisions is crucial for sustainable growth. Housecall Pro provides you with valuable data and analytics on key aspects of your business, such as revenue trends, customer acquisition costs, and team performance. These insights empower you to identify what's working well, pinpoint areas for improvement, and make strategic decisions to drive future growth. 8. Seamless integrations. Housecall Pro understands that your business likely uses other essential tools. That's why it offers seamless integrations with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, marketing platforms, and other business applications. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and ensures that all your critical information is connected and easily accessible. Imagine the impact of implementing just a few of these features. More efficient scheduling means your team can complete more jobs. Faster invoicing leads to quicker payments and better cash flow. Enhanced communication builds stronger customer relationships and generates positive reviews. And powerful marketing tools help you attract a steady stream of new clients. Housecall Pro isn't just about making your daily tasks easier. It's about providing you with the tools and insights you need to scale your business effectively. It's about moving from reactive management to proactive growth. It's about empowering you to take control of your business's future and achieve your long-term goals. So, if you're serious about growing your service-based business and want to leave behind the chaos of manual processes, it's time to explore what Housecall Pro can do for you. It's an investment in efficiency, customer satisfaction, and ultimately your bottom line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.